Q8531-5. What is the maximum duration of a temporary airman certificate? A. 60 days. B. 90 days. C. 120 days. The correct answer is C. The maximum duration of a temporary airman certificate is 120 days. 8531-6. When may an otherwise qualified mechanic who does not read, write, speak, and understand the English language be eligible to apply for a mechanic certificate? A. When a special authorization has been issued by the supervising FAA Flight Standards Office. B. When employed outside the United States by a U.S. air carrier. C. When employed outside the United States. The correct answer is B. A mechanic certificate applicant must be able to read, write, speak, and understand the English language. However, an otherwise qualified applicant working for a U.S. air carrier outside the United States may be eligible, and the certificate is then endorsed, valid only outside the United States. 8531-7. Which of the following statements is true for a certificated and appropriately rated mechanic regarding repairs and alterations? A. He or she may perform an airframe major repair or major iteration, but cannot approve the work for return to service. B. He or she may perform airframe minor repairs and minor iterations and approve the work for return to service, but cannot perform an airframe major repair or major iteration. C. He or she may perform an airframe major repair or major iteration and approve the work, but not the entire aircraft, for return to service. The correct answer is A. The mechanic must write up the compliance statement on the FAA Form 337, but the person authorizing the work for return to service has to have an inspection authorization. 8531-8. Which of the following is an instance when a special flight permit may not be issued? A. Flying passengers on a scheduled operation. B. Flying the aircraft to a location where repairs or maintenance can be performed. C. Flying a customer demonstration flight. The correct answer is A. Flying passengers on a scheduled operation. In such situations, a valid airworthiness certificate, registration certificate, and other required documents are necessary to conduct a flight. However, in instances where the aircraft needs to be flown for maintenance or repair purposes or for carrying out customer demonstration flights, a special flight permit can be issued under certain conditions. 8532-1. Certificated mechanics with an airframe rating may perform a minor repair to an airspeed indicator providing they have the necessary equipment available. 2. Certificated mechanics with a powerplant rating may perform a major repair to a propeller providing they have the necessary equipment available. Regarding the above statements, A. Only one is true. B. Neither 1 nor 2 is true. C. Only 2 is true. The correct answer is B. The first claim is untrue. Any certified mechanic, regardless of their grade, is not permitted to make small or substantial repairs or adjustments to instruments. The second claim is untrue. Major propeller repairs or alterations cannot be made by a mechanic with a powerplant rating.